Hi guys, welcome to my tech channel. So today I'm going to explain some important feature of Neoload Rail browser recording. So first the question, what is the Rail browser? What is the difference between the browser and Rail browser, normal browser and Rail browser? So Rail browser is equivalent to true client scripting in the load runner, because as I already said, the Neoload is a combination of JMeter and road runner. So but based on that, the developers have developed these features, Rail browser tested. So when I am referring the Rail browser, it will give the client side metrics, so page render time. So let's see what are the how do we record, and just I will explain the options, and tomorrow I am going to do some recording of Rail browser. So start Rail browser recording. So in the Rail browser recording, when you start this, there are three different options available. The third option is nothing but Rail browser. So you can check it, enable Rail browser recording, general or advanced. General means this user IDs in recorded characters. So it is mainly give recording based on the page elements, whatever the elements displayed on the page, that we will record, and we will see the response time of that. So based on the elements, the properties will be changed. So user IDs, recorded characters, ignore HTTP errors. So you know that what are the HTTP errors? 504 bypass. So user agent basically is will give the detailed overview of the browser, for example Mozilla or something, geolocation, let's leave it. And advanced, general. So general will come to that, there are two type of options will be available, CSS and XPath. So when we are referring the page, definitely we will refer that page is developed on the CSS or XPath. So XPath means some path, it will give the XPath. So whoever worked in Selenium, they are well versed with this both CSS and XPath. So either you will select either CSS or XPath. Once you select here, you will give the resolution types and local A and time zone. Time zone you will give that. Once you will click that, OK. But I didn't have any web application right now available. So then it will give this to open that, not a Chrome browser. So that is a difference. You observe this thing, Chromium browser, but now there are some error in my installation, that's why it will not give anything. So Chromium browser, and after recording, the again pop-up will be coming. In the pop-up, you need to, same pop-up will be appear when you recorded the web application, but some options will be different, some pop-up screens will be different. So you can see the options over here, the functions. When you select the rear browser, capture request, click. So as I already said that mainly we are working on the pages, like whatever. So suppose if you want to click on any link, that is a click. Close browser, open browser, close browser, it will be recorded. Close tab, close means particular any tab you will close. Drag and drop and navigate, mouse over, mouse over, and press and scroll, switch tab, type. So we can also sometimes, most of the times we're using the type, switch tab, the press, and the mouse over, navigate. These are things based on client requirement. We use that. Wait selector, what is this wait selector? So suppose there is element over in the page, you want to wait for some time, that element wait for select particular time, you will give this option, wait for selector. And upload file, you know that upload file. So these are the options that are available in the Rail browser recording. So Rail browser is very equivalent to the true client protocol in the load runner. So guys, I will do a separate video for Rail browser recording. Please subscribe my channel, so I will end the video too. Thank you.